Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to use the Zoom desktop client. So first you will just open the Zoom client and you will sign into it. So here the first thing that you will see is the home page. In the home page you can add your calendar so you can schedule all your meetings on this calendar. So let's for example click on add calendar. You will have to add like a Google Calendar or like an Outlook or OneDrive calendar to it if you want. Now, if you want to create a new meeting, you will have just to click on this button or this orange that is new meeting. So now Zoom will automatically start and host a meeting. In a meeting, you will have too many actions that you can to do. Uh, for example, you will be able to see the participants and have like a control on these participants. Like you can kick some participants, you can mute them or remove them or give them some accesses or permissions. There is a security action where it gives you some measures of security or some controls for some permissions. There is the share screen where you can share your presentations, your whiteboards, your phone, or you can just share your windows that you have on your PC. Or you can record the meetings, have in a chat, react to messages, etc. etc. And to end like a meeting, you will just click end meeting for all and you will have it ended simply. You can also join other meetings by just adding the ID of the meetings and click on join, and you will join other people's meeting. You can also schedule meetings like here, and you will fill in these informations or settings, and just click on save, and you will have your meeting schedules. If you go to the meetings, you will have in upcoming, you will see your scheduled meetings and you can see other informations like the apps that you have associated with Zoom, contacts, whiteboard that you have created, also your mails, etc. etc. So basically, this is an overview to how to use Zoom and use like the simple features of it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.